everyone. Friday and Saturday are our weather impact days. That's when we're going to see our next storm system move in, and we're going to see a combination at least of rain, snow, and ice, all possible. Could see a little bit more of the rain, could see a little bit more of the snow. We'll have to wait and see exactly. There's lots of uncertainty, including the totals of the rain, snow, and ice. But whatever we do see, that is going to cause some slippery driving conditions, especially by morning, as we're going to see a lot of this come in by Friday, lingering into your Saturday, and then it's just not going to warm up much, and so whatever rain, ice, or snow we get, that's going to cause some hazardous driving conditions. The typical snow setup is that we've got this moisture, this low pressure system down to our south near the Gulf Coast, and we've got the cold weather. Those temperatures are already going to be super cold all week long. But depending on where this low pressure system goes will determine what type of precipitation we get. So if it is to go a little bit more to the north, that means that we're going to see more of the rain and that ice and a little bit less of the snow, because more of the southerly winds, that moisture gets all to us, and all of the colder temperatures, even especially farther away from the surface, that's going to be farther to our north. However, if it's to go more to the east and go south of us, that's going to invite those northerly winds to stick around. It's keeping us even colder, and it's going to have more of the snow, a little bit less of the rain that's going to be pushing its way in. Now, there's likely going to be some kind of combination of this, as we're going to see some of the rain and ice, or ice and snow, and maybe even all three. There is definitely going to be the freezing cold temperatures. That much we do know, especially by Friday night, Saturday morning. There's going to be plenty of moisture to work with. And when you combine both of those, it increases the likelihood that we're going to see that wintry mix. But exactly what type of precipitation is still yet to be determined, and we're not going to know exactly until much closer to the event itself. Now, as we track this out, this is one of the computer models showing that we're going to be just completely dry for the time being. Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday, just beautiful weather with lots of sunshine. As we zoom in closer, here we are now Friday morning, as we have all overcast. Temperatures are still going to be a bit chilly at the very least, and then we've got a lot of the snow moving in. Again, this is one of those computer models showing that we've got snow. And then it's going to start to transition more over to some of that freezing rain, the ice that we'll have to deal with, and that's what's going to make for hazardous conditions. And then we might even get some of that rain to mix in before just about everything moves out Saturday afternoon. Now, this is not official. This is a rough estimate about the worst case scenario, essentially, of the freezing rain, about 2/10 of an inch up to a little over 1/2 inch of ice. And again, this is almost 100% going to change with these numbers, but it does show that freezing rain is certainly possible. Here's the 7-day forecast now in the upstate, where we've got sunny conditions, and then our weather impact day, Friday and Saturday, with those weather impact as we have all the winter weather. Here's your 7-day in the mountains, where we've got dry weather for now, but super cold weather impact day Friday and Saturday.